Hello friends, I am the first digital senator of the world and now I become the super meta man. I don't say that, I'm not claiming that. If you go Google my name as digital senator, so you will come to know what I have achieved in the last these 2 years after the COVID. So today is the 22nd of September 2022. Let's celebrate. It's a celebration day. It's a big day for me. Reason being, I do believe in gadgets. I know the value of technology. I know the use of technology. I would love to. Since I started my first computer, I took it from Hong Kong in 1982. And this was simply 116K keyboard, which was considered as the computer. And the one good thing is, at that time, which is amazing for youngsters, that we were using the colored television as screen, as this LCD. There was no LCD at that time. So developments. So let's talk about in 1987, I was in Germany. I was sitting in with my principal in Mercedes, and I saw the Motorola car phone. So I wish at that time when it will come in Pakistan. So it's a blessing that in 1989 the first our Motorola phone, mobile phone, entered in Pakistan. So I got that in 1989. Since then I am using the mobile phone. And when it started in the era of 2000, that the mobile phone from these, the keypad one, they converted to this touch screen in 2000. We heard about that. And then in 2007, when the iPhone came, it was 9th of January 2007, really a big day. And those who were having I got the first iPhone, and then iPhone 2G, and then 3G, and then 4G, and then changing on. So now we are coming to iPhone 14, which is, you can see, thanks to Sunny Saab, my son, the elder son, that he managed. It has just started commercial sales in US and in European Union, EU, and as well as in Gulf just last week. So Sunny Saab, my elder son Shaigan Hamza Rafiq, and my buddy Bahu, they managed to get it for us. So this is iPhone 14 Pro, which we have. And then they manage, I don't know, we don't want to sell it, but this is the fact that for my younger son and daughter and for me, we are enjoying this. This is the iPhone 14 Pro. I'll unbox it and I'll show you. These are the two. And then another iPhone 14 Pro. And one thing I must tell you, being the responsible citizen of Pakistan, we never evade the taxation. So we paid a big amount for the PTA clearance and for taxation, for custom duty on all these three phones. So this is today, I personally feel, thanks to Allah and thanks to my kids, especially Sunny Saab, who managed Shaigan Hamza Rafiq. So he managed how to get it, and we did it officially. And one more thing, when you book these phones through Apple Store, when you buy it, so you will get the Apple bag, carry bag, small, with the Apple sign. That is the indication that these are not from the market. These are really got it on their own name from there, and these are again PTA approved, tax paid. So thanks to them. And now we are going to unbox the first one, iPhone 14 Pro. This is the one. And one thing I must say, that in 13 the most popular color was this blue, which is already obsolete now, no more. Then before this there was another one, which is the golden color, iPhone 12. This is the golden color, which was very popular. And now they come up with the new iPhone 14 Pro purple color, which is the new color. We can see this is what iPhone 14 with. And let's move on. Sunny Saab already managed to get iPhone 14 Pro Max. Look this. And we are going to unbox this. This is already, I have teared it off. And now you can see this one is iPhone 14 Pro Max. And there is only one sticker in it. This one, iPhone sticker, you can paste it at your car and it will show that you are an iPhone lover or iPhone from iPhone family. That is the technology family. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max. So only the cable, nothing else. Okay, it is done. But I must say that those who have the value and they know how to use it. So I personally feel that this phone, while we are talking about iPhone is, or any smartphone, is not only to just use it as to just to make the calls and receive the calls, or to go for the messaging from any of the social media, whether it is WhatsApp or Line or anyone, or even the normal text messaging. No, this is much more beyond that. So I would love to clear this thing with everybody, especially those who are the senior citizens, who are, their age is above 40. My friends, please use it through the apps. Try to learn how to use the apps. Just sharing with you how many apps I have in my phone. Let's talk about, let's see. These are the apps which I am using. How many apps are there? All apps I use for myself. Look, listen this. Yes, just see this. Yes, I have all the commercial media, social media, general apps, entertainment apps, different types of apps, paid apps as well. Because in the paid apps, sometimes you have to pay just $10 a year or $20 a year or $50 a year, which is not a big deal, but you can do many things. So in the last, again, this is a humble message from your digital senator, the first digital senator of the world, and as well as now, as I always say, I become the super meta man, that please try to learn the technology and use the technology. You will have your life much better and easier. Now let's share few the good advantages or the additional things that the upgradation, it is, the first thing is they have upgrade the hardware of this and as well as the software of this iPhone 14 Pro Max, that you can make better videos, you can have better combination of the colors now, and as well as the best thing is their camera. The camera is upgraded now and it is fast while moving in the car, or even you can make the pictures from the aircraft, which will be a better, inshallah. In the last, I must say thank you very much for watching my movie, and if you my vlog, if you like it, please share it. It's a humble request of your digital senator, and just subscribe my channel and just push the bell icon. You will get the next video. We will definitely tell you the basic advantages specifically in iPhone 14. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.